This little ab workout machine came out like this, out of the box. No assembly necessary. All I need was actually attach the resistance bands right on this side in here. It's a pretty shitty product because there's, and I will say this thing though. Okay. When I took this out of the box, there was no assembly necessary. This is some sort of like that kind of a rotation ab workout thing. It does work out your legs as well. The only thing that when I tried it out, this here, that resistance kind of knob, I mean, it might work for some people, or it might make a difference for some people, but I feel like even if I put it at the tightest, I'll put it on the floor so you can actually see what I'm talking about. At its highest intensity, I still have, you know, it's not that hard to do the twist. But the really cool thing is you have some range of motion. I'm really giving it a bunch of angles here, and it is working out. My hips, the legs, I have my knees just a little bit, bent, and it feels fantastic. And I do feel it in my abs, and even all the way to my lower back as well. And what I love is that you're not just standing there. You can actually do a little bit more of that workout with those resistance band for both your arms. And if you don't want to do the arms, you can just let it go, and you can actually detach it, no problem. The really nice thing is that this whole thing is super light, as you can see, very, very light, but it can actually withstand a weight that's just over 300 pounds, which is pretty incredible. It's got that nice grip, so it's not gonna move about on your floor. And like I said, again, it is that kind of thing that is so simple to just take out, put away, and you're good to go. You can do that 15, 20 minute kind of like little twist about and get back in shape. It's great.